We've handpicked 18 incredible machines you can find online, many of them on Amazon, that can help you build a profitable business full of opportunities. And the best part? They're all under $1,000. Ready to turn your ideas into action? Let's get started. The links to these machines will be available in a document in the description. Glass bottle cutting machine. This small machine is perfect for transforming used glass bottles into useful and decorative products. With a simple system of heat and pressure cutting, this machine turns bottles into glasses, vases, or decorative pieces. For just $30, you can offer a creative solution for recycling and create a business opportunity. The magic lies in turning waste into unique, eco-friendly products. Each bottle cut becomes an exclusive item with added value, ideal for those looking to make a positive impact on the environment. Customers, especially those who value recycling and sustainability, will be willing to pay for items like glasses and decorations with a story behind them. The best way to start is by collaborating with local bars or restaurants that discard a lot of bottles. Keep in mind, recycling is trending, so you're likely to find customers who appreciate this sustainable approach. Create your products and promote them on social media or at craft fairs. This business not only helps protect the environment, but can also become a steady source of income. Sublimation printer for mugs. With this sublimation printer, you can transfer any design or image onto ceramic mugs. It works by applying heat and special ink to create durable, high-quality prints on each mug. This allows for full customization of every piece, making it perfect for offering unique gifts. Personalized products are booming, and mugs are among the most popular gifts for special occasions. You can get started with as little as $50, and each mug can be sold at a high price due to its customization, providing excellent profit margins for every sale. From motivational quotes to pet photos, the possibilities are nearly endless. To start, offer designs that are trending or create special options for occasions like Christmas or Mother's Day. Use social media to promote your mugs and partner with local gift shops to expand your reach. Don't forget to include personalized options for events or businesses looking to promote their brand. Electric wire stripping machine. It might not seem like it at first, but stripping electrical wires can become an essential tool for recycling. With an investment of just $150, this machine allows you to quickly and safely extract copper from used wires, a highly valuable material in the recycling market. It's compact, easy to use, and capable of handling high volumes. Copper has a high market price, making wire stripping and selling the collected copper a lucrative business. Additionally, you can offer this service to companies or individuals who need to dispose of their wires responsibly, expanding your income sources. Start by promoting your services to construction or tech companies, as they often have plenty of wires to dispose of. If you secure regular contracts, you could have a steady flow of material to process and resell. Moreover, emphasize the ecological benefits of this service, attracting an environmentally conscious audience. Vacuum bag packaging machine. This machine is a dream come true for any entrepreneur in the food industry. It allows you to seal food and other products in vacuum bags, extending their shelf life and ensuring freshness. It's perfect for packaging gourmet foods, spices, or artisanal products, preserving them in the best way possible. The ability to sell fresh, well-packaged products adds significant value. This machine costs around $55, and you can package a wide variety of items, from cheeses to coffee and spices. You can offer products with professional packaging that stands out from the competition. Additionally, this type of packaging is ideal for gourmet or natural foods, segments that are in high demand. You can start by collaborating with local producers or farmers to package their products. Another option is to create your own line of gourmet products and sell them at markets or on online platforms. With a bit of creativity and good networking, you could build a brand that customers recognize for its freshness and quality. Professional nail polisher. If you're looking to add a professional touch to manicures, this nail polisher is the key. With multiple speeds and interchangeable heads, it's perfect for creating detailed designs and achieving flawless finishes. Ideal for those aiming for high-quality nail art. This machine is a gold mine in the beauty industry. With an investment of just $60, you can offer manicure services at events, weddings, or even on the go, attracting a broad and loyal clientele. Start by showcasing your work on social media. A great nail design can easily draw in customers. Quality and creativity always stand out, and well-done nail art is a booming business opportunity. T-shirt printing machine. Perfect for printing unique designs on t-shirts, this machine uses heat and pressure to transfer high-quality images onto fabric. With an investment of $230, you can start creating personalized clothing or merchandise, an excellent option for events and brands looking to stand out with exclusive products. Custom clothing is on the rise. With this machine, you can produce exclusive t-shirts and sell them for events, companies, or individuals looking for unique pieces. Personalized t-shirts often carry added value, allowing you to sell each one at a good profit margin, generating steady income. To get started, offer your services on social media, highlighting your original designs. You could also collaborate with local influencers or businesses in need of merchandise. Creating themed collections for special occasions, such as Christmas or Valentine's Day, is a great strategy to attract customers and establish yourself in the market. Jewelry drilling machine. This compact machine is designed to drill materials for jewelry making, such as wood, plastic, or metal, making it easier to create personalized jewelry pieces. It's very easy to use and allows for precise work on small items, making it ideal for creative entrepreneurs. Personalized jewelry and accessories are in high demand. This machine is available for around $200, and with it, you can produce unique earrings, bracelets, or necklaces to sell at fairs, craft stores, or online. This business has great potential, since each piece is exclusive and holds special value for the customer. Create a collection of unique pieces and launch it on social media or platforms like Etsy. You can also participate in design fairs or collaborate with accessory stores looking for exclusive items. Jewelry is a competitive market, but with creativity and originality, you can attract an audience that values handmade craftsmanship. Aromatic candle making machine. This device allows you to melt wax and pour it into molds, making it easy to create personalized aromatic candles. You can add unique fragrances and colors, creating attractive products for the decoration and wellness market. Decorative and aromatic candles are in high demand, especially among those seeking relaxation or home decor products. Considering that the machine costs just $70, this business offers huge profit margins. Each candle can be sold at a high price due to its customization and fragrance, generating excellent earnings. Additionally, you can create a product line distinguished by its unique fragrances. Start by experimenting with different scents and candle styles. Promote your products on social media, highlighting their decorative and soothing qualities. You could also offer them in gift shops or at local markets. Customizing candles with specific messages or colors will help you attract an audience that values exclusivity. 3D printer machine. Can you imagine having a mini factory at home? With this 3D printer, you can create everything from decorative figures to functional parts, building layer by layer with precision. The technology is super accessible and allows you to bring designs to life as if by magic. The earning potential? Immense. You can sell unique products like decorations, personalized toys, or even specific tools that others might need. And all this for just $250, making it a very profitable investment. To get started, print some popular models and showcase them on platforms like Etsy or social media. Personalization is key here, and with attractive designs, your creations will quickly find their ideal buyers. Custom keychain making machine. Perfect for creating personalized keychains from various materials such as acrylic, metal, or leather, this machine allows you to add engravings, shapes, and unique details, resulting in truly special and customized pieces. It's ideal for designing merchandise products, event souvenirs, or unique gifts, delivering exceptional results with every creation. You can get this machine for just $160. Personalized keychains are popular in the gift and souvenir market, as well as for corporate events and weddings. Each keychain can generate a considerable profit, especially if you offer customized options for each client. This is an excellent opportunity to sell online, at craft fairs, or by collaborating with gift shops. To get started, create a series of unique designs and promote them on social media. You can also offer customization services for companies needing merchandise or events seeking exclusive keepsakes. Add a special touch with name or logo engravings to stand out in the market and attract an audience that values personalized details. Shoe covering machine. Designed to quickly and efficiently place protective covers on shoes, This machine is ideal for environments where cleanliness is a priority, such as hospitals, laboratories, or factories. Its compact design and ease of use make it an excellent option for businesses offering protection services or direct sales. For just $40, you can achieve a massive profit margin. This service is invaluable for hospitals, labs, and companies needing to keep their spaces clean. By selling the service or covers in bulk, you can generate recurring income and establish yourself in a high-demand niche. You can offer your services directly to hospitals and factories, or create packages for businesses needing large quantities of covers. Consider a marketing strategy that highlights the hygiene and practicality of the product. It's a niche market, but with high potential for regular sales. Sugarcane juice extraction machine. For $500, you can have the perfect machine to crush sugarcane and extract fresh juice, a popular beverage in warm climates. Its ease of use and portability make it ideal for markets and fairs, where you can offer a refreshing product instantly. Sugarcane juice is highly popular in hot regions and considered an exotic drink in others. Selling fresh sugarcane juice can generate consistent income, especially in tourist areas or outdoor events. Set up the machine at fairs or events and offer fresh juice on the spot. Highlight the health benefits and freshness of the product. You can also add other drinks or flavors to diversify your offerings and attract more customers. With a great location, this business can deliver excellent profits. Homemade pasta machine. Would you like to make fresh pasta just like at an Italian restaurant? This manual machine allows you to create everything from fettuccine to lasagna in minutes. Simply adjust the thickness of the dough and pass it through the rollers to achieve a gourmet result with an artisanal touch. And speaking of profits, fresh pasta is always a hit. For just $80, this machine allows you to sell at markets, gourmet stores, or even to restaurants looking for quality. To get started, you can create small batches and sell them at local fairs. You could also assemble fresh pasta kits and promote them on social media. Homemade pasta always has its market. Soft serve ice cream machine. Specifically designed to produce soft serve ice cream, this machine is perfect for selling in high traffic areas or during the summer season. With multiple flavor options, it easily attracts a diverse audience of all ages. For $800, you can start your own ice cream business, an all-time classic that never goes out of style. You can sell it in parks, fairs, malls, or events, generating steady income during the warmer months. Operating costs are low, and the profit margins are significant. Place your machine in busy locations, especially in warm climates or during summer. Experiment with popular flavors and promotions to attract more customers. Additionally, offer toppings to add value to each serving and stand out from the competition. Bottle capping machine with screw caps. This machine allows you to seal bottles with screw caps, making it perfect for packaging products like juices, sauces, or oils. It's fast and reliable, ensuring that each bottle is securely sealed for proper preservation. Professional packaging adds value to your products and builds customer trust. This machine costs just $170, and you can sell your products at local markets, fairs, or through specialty stores, emphasizing the freshness and quality of your beverages or foods. Start with your own product line, such as juices or sauces, and offer them at local markets or online. Collaborate with small food producers who need bottling and sealing services. This will help you generate income and expand your services. Handmade soap making machine. With this device, you can mix and mold ingredients to create handmade soaps in various shapes, colors, and scents. This is the cheapest machine on our list. At less than $30, you can start producing personalized soaps with natural ingredients like essential oils, herbs, or exfoliants, making it an excellent choice for those looking to offer unique personal care products. The market for natural and handmade beauty products is growing as more people seek eco-friendly and healthier alternatives. With this machine, you can create exclusive soaps that sell based on their quality and customization. By selling in bundles or at natural product markets, you can achieve a good profit margin and build loyalty among customers who value natural ingredients. Start by creating a line of soaps with natural ingredients, promoting their skincare benefits on social media. You can offer customized soaps for gifts, weddings, or events, and form partnerships with natural product stores. Presentation and ingredient quality are key to attracting an audience that seeks eco-friendly, high-quality alternatives. Mini churro maker. This $260 machine makes it easy to produce fresh, crispy churros, perfect for selling at fairs, events, or high-traffic areas. Its compact size allows you to set it up almost anywhere and prepare churros instantly. Churros are a delicious and popular snack that sells well at events in busy locations. You can achieve a great profit margin by offering a fresh, ready-to-enjoy product, especially if you add sauces or toppings. Set up the machine at local events or high-traffic areas and offer freshly made churros. Use social media to promote your location and highlight the freshness of your product. Offering additional sauces or toppings can help boost sales and attract more customer interest. Woodcraft Sanding Machine. Specifically designed for woodworking and crafts, this sander allows you to achieve precise finishes on wooden pieces, adding fine details that elevate the quality of the final product. For just $40, you can start this business. The demand for well-finished, personalized wooden products is high, especially in home decor. With this machine, you can produce high-quality items like frames, shelves, decorations, or ornaments, generating a good profit with each sale. Create a line of decorative products and showcase them on social media. You could also offer finishing services to other artisans or carpenters. Highlighting the quality and detail of your products is key to attracting customers and building a reliable brand. In summary, these 18 machines are a great option for anyone looking to start generating income without spending too much. With less than $1,000, you can create original products and attract customers interested in something unique. Are you ready to try one out? Don't forget to check the description for a document with links to all the machines mentioned. And of course, subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed the video for more business ideas that can help you grow.